YouTube, this is Flash75 here. We're going to play Team Deathmatch. 2 hits and you're out. And that's what we're going to play. Alright. My team is not here today. So that's Payden right there with his MP5. Joe with my shotgun. Alright, and that's Brandon, his little brother, videotaping. Alright, we need to get going because camera's about to die in 2 seconds. Let's go! Woo!
Oh, that's a perfect. That's a mag. Oh, watch out. Tell him to stop it.
Victory is ours! The what? Victory! Yeah, finally. Is ours! The winning is Payden and Joseph. Yeah, I only have one person.
Yeah,
so.
well, it doesn't matter, you lost. Not if I was win.
Not really, when Ricky's not here.